up 75 bucks. Want to see it hold its highs, another 10 seconds. Hopefully this will show me to be able to get out on an auto order here. So new 1 minute about to start. New 5-minute candle about to form. Right here, it's kind of moving up a little bit. I'm going to do the do not show again because I want to see if
Order
that works.
filled.
All right, perfect. I know it's continuing up. I wanted to do both. So I got a little bit of profit. That's fine. It's still moving up, but I wanted to get that. Now I want to see if that, I don't know, I'm not sure if that auto feature turned off. So I'll see on my next video. I'm also testing to see if this market order thing will fill. I turned off the auto feature before, so I'm hoping that works. So hopefully there's a setup here so I can test it. I don't want to blindly just take a trade here just for no reason, but I want to see if I can hit buy market without having to put a confirmation order in. So I took Autosend off. Let's see if this works. If price will get above this 6407-ish level. So that's another thing I want to test and see if that feature for auto feature works, so I can just hit these buttons. So I didn't see how to do it. I did it before on a sell order and turned it off, but we'll see if it works. If I get an entry at some point here, if it'll work automatically by hitting buy market without having to hit it twice. That way I get a better fill. There's other areas. I'm trying to make some tutorial videos too. I'm doing some making videos on learning this Tradovate setup. I just got this Apex account set up, so I'm also trying to make some tutorial videos for Tradovate for our followers. So as I'm doing these trades, I'm also trying to learn the platform and record those videos. So I did one on buy stop earlier, but I want to see if this market order button will fill, kind of like these big buttons, without doing having to hit it a couple times. So here we go, 6406.25. It's getting close right up there. See, it's right about that 6407.
Order filled.
Okay, it filled. So I took an entry. So I hit the button. It did work automatically. So there it goes, going up 6408. So now I'm watching here and seeing if this new 1 minute candle will continue. It's kind of pulling back a little bit there at the moment. So I want to see. So the button worked, so the auto feature did work, which is really good. Now I want to watch and see if this 1 minute, if price will continue up, make a new 1 minute high, and break above this 1 minute candle. So we have another 30 seconds on this candle. It's pulling back at the moment here, using this 9 EMA as a guide on the 500 tick. There we go. Let's see if it moves up. I'm going to watch that 6410 as important resistance level. So I'm going to watch this 1 minute candle form. Hopefully it holds its highs. So I want to see it hold its highs and then see if a new 1 minute candle will go up, what will happen at 6410. If it won't hold its highs and continue up, then I'll look to possibly get out. So it's kind of holding its highs going into the new 1 minute candle. So watch and see if there's a new 1 minute candle break. See if it breaks above that 6409 level.
Order filled.
So perfect. I didn't want to just risk too much right now because I'm was doing that auto feature. So number one, which is great, that automatic auto send without having to, just kind of using this big button feature without having to confirm, that worked. So I turned that feature off, which is great. And then also on this one too, just made a $100 trade. So I've made 4 trades so far on Apex and I'm up $300. So not too bad with learning their platform. I didn't want to stay too risky too. It's up near that 6410 level as well. So it's a little bit overextended, but kind of dual feature of getting the $100 trade there, scalping up, trying to get funded on this Apex account, as well as using that auto send feature on placing orders.